Hi friend, how are you? Thank you so much. I received my order today. So according to my invoice on this phone, yeah, according to my invoice, the very green one is my magic coil, which is this, okay, which is this, and it's two closures, 1, 2 closures, and I've got a 14 inches. I've got how many 14 inches here? I've got two 14 inches. Hold on. This is 14 inches. I've got this 14 inches, yeah. I've got 12 inches, yeah, correct. I don't know what inch is this one, but I've got three 12 inches. 3 12 inches, which is this 3, 1, 2, 3, correct. I've got one, it should be 2 14 inches. This is 14 inches, and I think this is 14 inches. So I've got 2 14 inches and 2, yeah, this one is absolutely correct. So these two should be together. So 2 14 inches, 3 12 inches, and I've got 2 closures, which is perfect, correct. The second order is 8 inches 1. So this is 8 inches, 1 8 inches. Then I've got 2 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches 2, yeah. Then I've got 1 12 inches. Now this is where the problem is. There is no 12 inches here. I've got a 12-inch closure. So the closure here is in this place, I think I should have middle part closure 1. I don't know how come we have 1 middle part closure, but it should be 2 10 inches, 1 8 inches, 2 10 inches, and then I've got another 10 10 and 8, but no closure. Okay, so I've got this one complete with closure. Then I've got this one no closure. I don't know why that is. So that's order number 2. Order number 3 also, I've got a problem with order number 3 because I ordered 8 inches. So 1 8 inches, this is 8 inches 1, and I've got 10 inches 2, so 2 10 inches 2, and I've got 1 custom, which should be the closure. 1 custom, which is this closure, yeah, the closure, but no, 2 10 inches, yeah, 2 10 inches, 1 8 inches, but I've got excess. I've got like, I don't understand. Is it like number 3? You wrote number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3 on this. So I'm a bit confused, friend. I'm really confused. Anyway, that's all I've got here. Maybe you need to explain to me. So I've got this excess. I've got this one too. I've got this excess as well, and I've got just one closure. So I'm thinking maybe 2 of this and 2 of this 8. Even at that, it's still excess. So I need you to explain to me. All right. So finally, the fourth one is the bouncy coil. And I really love this one, I must say. I really like it. It's really good. So this is my bouncy coil. and I ordered 3 bundles. So I have 116, I have 218, and I have the closure, which is perfect. So this one is perfect for me. Thank you so much. I think there's discrepancy with the bundles. You need to explain to me more what the bundles are and what is the cost for the discrepancy. So this is a copy of my order which I paid, but I need to understand this more. Thank you. Bye.